Alright, so how to edit your videos using InShot. Alright, so you would quickly download it. If you are using Android, you go to your Play Store. Sorry, to your Play Store. Yes, you download it. This is the icon here. InShot. Then once you're done downloading it, next you do again, you just open it. This is how the interface will look like. You will see a video, you will see photo, and you will see college. If you want to add two pictures together, that is how you we use it. So for now, I want to edit video. What we can do is we click on this icon here, video. Okay, instantly we click on it. Then you click on new to start editing new video. You click on new here to import new video. You click on it. Then let's get any video for now. For example, let me show you how to trim some things. There is one I already trimmed, okay, but let's use smaller video so that we'll show you how these things looks like. Then if you watch clearly here, now we have this icon here, InShot icon. So we want to exit it. What we do is we click on that icon to remove it. Click on remove, so that this is called watermark, so we remove it. Then you allow it for it to get removed. Okay, then now it is done. Then if we click on our video now, then we are previewing. This is our photo editing section side, where we do other kind of portraits, snap picture, and the rest of them. Okay, now if you watch now, that is how the icon. Let me show you what this icon is. If you scroll here now, these icons, they mean something. Yeah, this is called canvas. If you want to edit for maybe the size of TikTok, you use 9:16. Then the canvas, the size of YouTube 16:9, TikTok is 9:16. This is called aspect ratios. Okay, you can click any of these and then that is what it will select, but we are using our default now because I shot this clip using my video using my phone. Then next again, that is your audio, sticker, text, effect. We'll be looking at it one after another. This is the basics, then volume and the rest of them. Now this is, if you click now, this is a clip. If we highlight on this clip now, if we shift, the basic thing that we need here is to learn how to cut video. That is called trimming. Then once you click on your clip now, this icon will show up. This will show that you have clicked on the clip. This icon at this extreme edge, this thing that look like hamburger, that shows that you are on this clip. Then if you split, if you use split icon, let me show you to split. If you scroll down, then this is called let's go back. Let's go. Then this thing is called split. This thing, as you can see, to split. Then if I click on split now, it have divided this clip into two. One clip, second clip. Then if I click on the first clip here now, then if I want to delete it, what I can do is, then I will automatically, let me show you what I mean. Then if I click on the delete icon now, then this clip now is gone. So if I click on delete, it has removed the first clip. Then next again, let me say if I click on this now, then I don't want the beginning here, I'll click on split. All right, or let me go back. If I click here, I will go back to undo. To undo is here. I will to undo it. Then let me undo what I have done before. Now I have undo it. If I don't want to split, I can hold this icon here now. I can hold this here now to trim it like this. Instead of splitting, I'll click this way and then I'll split it. Okay, then if I will not play, right, it is showing me. So if I finish going through it, I am okay with, after I have trimmed it and I'm okay with it, that is what is called to overlay something. Now let's click on overlay. This is how to overlay something here. Now this is the way they say the PIP. So if I click on PIP, then I will overlay something. I'll put something on top of it. Let's say I want to overlay let me say this our own printing now, where we are printing Liberia designs. Okay, this is under section again. I want to overlay it now. Then if I click on this video now, okay, so the video is playing on top of the other video. So this is another section of our brand office as well. If you see now, the overlay ended here, so it ended. So I can add another overlay and over. Then if I want to remove it, I click on it, then I will take it off like this, and then it is gone. I can put picture of as my overlay and all of that. Okay, so this is how basically you can trim your videos. Okay, now let me finish up the one I've been doing before. Now I want to save it on draft. All right, I'll click on draft. Then if I click on videos, then I want to finish up my previous video that I did. Okay, let me show you other things. I've shown you basic of trimming and how to overlay. All right, you don't necessarily need all the whole icon here. You don't need the basic one like text and the rest of them. So what I can do now, in between, if you click now, in between two clip, you will see an icon in between two clip. When you edit, when you trim something, or when you cut your clip, in between it you will see an icon. When you click on that icon, it will show you transition. Transition is how to move to the next one. Okay, so let's see how this transition. If I click on this,
let's edit the interface of account.
Now watch.
It's the interface.
Now this it is not that obvious, the transition, because it is white background. You may not be able to see it, but let's use this transition now. Let's click and let's see how it is.
The interface of account.
Okay, I don't think you can see those effects very well, but that is what is called transition. In between one clip to another, it will transition to the next one. All right, that is how you can actually use transition. Let me check to see other clip like here. Let me click on this. Let me check this out.
Designing it.
This one not showed very well. This is what is
designing it.
Yes, but because this is called tutorial, I will not use standard transition, because tutorial, when you use transitions, you are distracting your audience. So I wouldn't want to use transition in order not to distract people from learning what they actually want to learn. All right. Then if I want to add text now, I'll click on text here now. I'll click on text. Then I'll click on this text here. I will simply write what I want to do. Okay, how to edit, all right, video, or how to edit graphic design video, design video. All right, then this is what I've done my test now. I can reduce it this way. Okay, how to edit graphic design video. Then if I play it now,
let's edit flyer. So this is the interface.
Okay, then what I can do is if I want it to, if I double click on it, I want to add animation. Then I click on it, then the thing will animate like this. It will show with animation, which is good. Okay, that is basically that. Then if I click on it again,
let's edit
I might want to reduce it a little bit again.
Let's edit flyer. So this is the interface.
So that is basic of your graphic design. There are not much that you actually needed if you are into educational kind of content, which is what many of my students are actually into. So just learn how to trim, add a little bit transition, add your text, okay, and then you are good to go. Okay, so if you find value in this, feel free to like and subscribe, okay, and then drop a valuable comment in the comment section. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.